If you want to break into the data analytics career path but don't want to break the bank or can't afford to get a degree in an institution, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you top 5 platforms where you can learn data analysis for free. Yeah, you heard me right, absolutely free. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss about data analytics as a career path, and I also teach you how to analyze healthcare data if you want to specialize in that niche. So with that being said, you know the drill. Let's dive right in. You want to move from zero to confidence in Excel, SQL, Python, and even data storytelling without paying a dime, then this platform offers real value, and I'll also be recommending some of my favorite courses in each of these platforms. On the number 5th spot is Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a non-profit platform with project-based learning. Their data analysis with Python includes pandas, NumPy, and even data cleaning. And one good thing about Free Code Camp is they will offer you a certification at the end of the course. No payment, no trick, just hands-on raw data. I'll be recommending the data analysis with Python course because it is perfect for beginners and self-paced learners. At number 4, we have Coursera. I know you'll be thinking, isn't that paid for? Yes, unless you choose to audit the course, which gives you access to all videos and read it for free. And I'll recommend the Google Data Analysis Certificate course. Remember, I said audit only. It is usually beginner friendly and highly rated. But the bad news about this is you will not be getting a certificate at the end of the course unless you pay for it. But if you are more invested in building your skill, then this is good. Next on my list is YouTube. YouTube is a powerhouse that is packed with walkthrough, real-world projects, and tutorials. There are YouTube channels that are dedicated to data analysis on Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, and even Power BI. And I'll be recommending Analyst the Analyst. His playlist on Data Analyst Roadmap is a perfect place to start. And also, you can check out this YouTube channel for healthcare data related projects. At the number 2 spot on my list, we have Edes, specifically from universities such as Harvard and MIT. Their data science and aerobasic course is free to audit, and it is a great introduction into statistical computing. I'll be recommending their data science and aerobasic course by Harvard, especially if you are leaning towards research or public health. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have Cargo. Cargo is not all about competition. It has an amazing section which is called the Cargo Lane that contains micro courses. There you can learn Excel, SQL, Python, data cleaning, data visualization using real-world data sets in browser. Here's my bonus tips. You can combine one or more of these platforms for your learning purpose. So for example, you can learn the theories using Coursera, then you can practice with dataset from Cargo and go ahead and build portfolio projects using YouTube tutorials. So you can mix and match to get the best of all the worlds. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comment section which of these platforms you've tried that, and also if you have a favorite platform that I didn't make mention of, then please drop that in the comment section. I really want to know. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content relating to data analysis. And if you are transitioning from any career path into the healthcare data analysis career path, then please ensure to check out my playlist regarding healthcare data analysis. There I teach you how to analyze healthcare data using data analytics tools such as SQL, Tableau, and Python. Thank you for watching and see you in the next.